Hi, afternoon. All right. This is a direct response to Blakk Rasta. His comment that we should remove Nanado because he slept at a summit in Russia. And also because he's old. And Nanado, the older generation, are part of Ghana's problem. This is totally hogwash and nonsense and useless comment from that Blakk Rasta. Blakk Rasta, I think he said there's something wrong with his mind. As if forgetting so soon, say, there have been many youth they have been involved in governance in Ghana. In terms of progress. Ukuje to a black a friend is saying, Feleso Ofusukwache, Standugbe. I can mention names. What impact Enomu making on the lives of Ghanaians? When you travel abroad, most of the ministers, youth, most of them are about 50 years. When you go to UK, the same. Go to America, their president, how old is he? We have some of a minister of state near there, secretary of state near there, America. How old are they? It's not about a year old or the youth in Ghana. Most of them have been given opportunity in politics. What impact on Mamiki? In fact, you have corruption a year about. Some of them are even in court now. Go and check the youth are involved. It's not about old or youth. Yes, we know, sir, the country must be built for the youth here. But the youth, how serious are they and how? What impact and make it if they get the opportunity to go, say, governance more? Nana Dubai, and in spite of also Wakwakoda. Even a video, if you watch the full taper. And now, humanity, so you go and say somewhere, Ghana, we give prominence to any useless and any person, any idiot to be, I think, say, somebody. Into Blakk Rasta. You, Blakk Rasta, let me ask you, and their impact, your fellow radio presenters like Kwame Sifakan and Dems. Look at the impact on Meki. Fiapokwa any Omakikamu. The impact on Meki on the live radio aside. They try, say, Omu use their influence, to get something to help the needy. How many people and poor who Blakk Rasta you have helped in Ghana? You say somewhere and talk anyhow. Say we have to remove Nanado because the older. But sir, take your nonsense somewhere. You are totally useless in the community. You have done absolute nothing apart from your own self. Oto nyom Barack Obama the gains now when you're free mono. And then now who did you support? Why now supporting? Travel outside Ghana. Nebra na behe. All these developed world, developed countries, no. Brabesha omo president, then check prime minister, check their age. Age, any matter. But your mentality, how serious we are. How many youth in Nanado buy a more opportunity? There are so many youth and MPP. But what are you talking about? And who told you said the youth have never been given the opportunity to serve? I've mentioned some of the youth to you. Master, just take your tune somewhere. Ghana, we are suffering because of people like you, Blakk Rasta. You do as if you know all, but you know nothing, and you're not making any impact. There be also no radio so kasa. Your faithful presenters and making impact. When I cite example, I can mention names. Nanaya Kesino. Then you go to Kumasi, you see some of the radio presenters, side radio. They are making impact on their lives and bringing some changes into some people's lives. Ghana. You come and sit on TV and talk nonsense. You are no man in Sinubia, and now you determine who have to be the president or not. That is why our constitution mandates every 4 years. But you have your choice. You can vote against another. But if you say this nonsense, we will come and respond to you. Get out.